If you are using a pop-up form, this will sit on top of our content, just like this. Now there are a few options of how to customize this form. Let's hop back over to the builder. If we scroll down to the bottom and go to display settings, we can customize how this form will display. So by default, it is set to display immediately. So as soon as your visitor lands on your web page, your subscribe form will pop up and show. If we click on the drop-down menu, we have further options. So after the visitor has been on your web page for 5 seconds, the pop-up form will display. We can see here we've got after 10 seconds, after 20 seconds, and scroll to middle of the page. So when your visitor lands on your website, the form will not show until they scroll to the middle of your web page. And finally, scroll to the end of the page. So this operates in the same way. When the visitor lands on your web page, the form will not show until they scroll to the very bottom of your web page.